Hi guys, I'm here to do some Contradas footwork, doing solo baston Contradas, applying the ranging footwork from Yakan 1. Okay, so with the ranging footwork you have your corto, which is your 1 o'clock, your media, and your largo. Okay, so with Contradas, more of a timing drill, I'll apply the 3 ranges. So we start with a contact drill. I move out to my medium range. Okay, I attack again. I can go largo, and I can move close range also. Okay, so my 11 o'clock footwork is my close range. My 9 o'clock footwork is my medium range. My 7 o'clock footwork is my long range. Okay, so when we do Contradas, we're not just walking around. Okay, we're just moving here. Okay, I'm using the footwork that you've learned from Yakan 1 and moving out. Okay, I'm moving to the side. When I go corto, I start using my hand. Okay, I can do largo, media, and corto. Okay, so play with it, have fun, try it out.